everyone, it's Danny. It's been a long time since I have come on camera to talk, done a haul, anything like that. I have not been uploading a lot of videos. Long story short, I've just been really busy with work. I am basically full-time working now, and I have my family as well, so just not a lot of spare time. But semester's finished. I'm not teaching currently, so I have a bit more spare time. I went to Kmart this morning and I spent like $140. So I want to share with you what I bought. Most of it is Crafty related, some of it isn't, but I'll just share all of it and you can kind of decide what you want to watch. Alright, so the first thing I have is this big paint by numbers canvas. It is 40 by 50, so it's a decent sized canvas. It's really pretty native birds. So you've got your galah, your Major Mitchell cockatoo, and your soft-crested cockatoo. I love native birds. I have lots of pictures of them all throughout my house, and I really love the soft pastel colours of this. So I thought I'd give it a go, give me something to do over the summer break. I just want some kind of crafty projects to work on while I have a bit of spare time. That aren't just, you know, scrapbooking, because I like to do other things as well. So that was about $8, I think. Now I just grabbed a receipt because you might like to know what the cost of all these things are. Everything was really inexpensive. Like I said, I spent about $140, and that's including an electric shaver that I'm not going to include in this haul, obviously. So I spent about $100 on all of this. They've got lots of really fun, crafty, creative bits and pieces at the moment. Okay, so there's that. Then we've got some sparkle art, gem art. So I got a couple of those again, the native birds. I've got a few of these from Craft that are very similar designs, and I like the ones where the whole canvas is sticky dots, not just kind of the center design. Sometimes you just have the center design and then like the background is just printed, but this whole thing is sticky dots, so they keep you very occupied. They're very very good for keeping your hands busy. And then so I got the big one and I got the small one. Okay, so the paint by numbers was $9. This big gem art is $8, and then the little one I think is $5. Yeah, so really inexpensive and a lot cheaper than kind of other places. Okay, I just want to get these out of the way. These are just PJ sets, and I'm going to include them because why not? Everyone likes pajamas, right? These were $9 a set, really inexpensive. They're just t-shirts and shorts. So this is the first set. It just says goodnight. It has some kisses. I like the pink. And then the little lips on the shorts, which is cute. Again, $9 a set. You really can't get better value than that. This blue set, have a nice dream on the top, and then it's just kind of stars on the bottom. Nice and comfortable, and the nice soft cotton as well. And then this set, which is just like a pink gingham, but it is a singlet instead of a t-shirt and just shorts, and the singlet straps are adjustable, which is good as well. Okay, so that's it for clothes. Alright, so this is the pile of stuff I got now that I got all that big stuff out of the way. Quite a lot here. Most of this was impulse buying, to be totally honest. I went in for the diary for the planner, and everything else was not planned. To be completely honest, I'll probably put quite a few of these aside for my family to give me for Christmas, because I don't need any of this right now. Probably just the Christmas stuff I'll keep out, but otherwise, yeah, good Christmas gifts for yourself. Go and do some Christmas shopping for yourself, and you know, I find that's the best way to get the things that I actually want is just to buy them for myself and then, yeah, give them to people to give to me. All right, so I picked up the weekly diary. There were quite a few daily ones there. I don't see myself needing a daily for next year desperately. I like to be able to see a week at a glance. Usually I spend a bit of money on a planner. I'm a planner girl, but this year I have left it quite late. And I just really can't be bothered, to be honest. I feel guilty every time I don't fill in a week in my expensive planners, so I just decided to go and get a cheap one from Kmart. Now this was, if I can find it quickly, $5. Okay, so I'm not going to feel bad if I don't fill it in. It's quite a cute little cover. It's got the foil 2023, the florals. It's nowhere near as cute as some of my others, but that's fine. The only downside with this, it is bound, so I'm not going to be able to have it laying flat, which is going to annoy me, but I'll just kind of try to break the spine in a bit and hopefully it will sit fairly open. There is no month at a glance in these books, but I don't tend to use them anyway. I will probably get some use out of this if I can remember it's in here just for the semester dates. But this is what the weekly layout looks like. So it's a horizontal. It's Monday through to Saturday and Sunday, which I really like. All the days are the same size. The weekend is on a separate day, but then this is what really sold it for me. The long to-do list and then an extra spot. Just says notes where I can make another list if I would like. I can put a daily box in, a weekly box rather in there, weekly box sticker if I want to track something weekly, or I could just go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc, etc. These are what I really miss in regular weekly planners, is a place for just general lists. And the other ones I looked at had no lines. I really like lines. I struggle to write straight. It really bugs me when it goes off slightly. So I like that it has the lines, but it also has enough space in each day for 4 lines, but then I can kind of put 2 kind of lots of, I could draw a line down the middle and kind of have, you know, there's lots of space across. There's enough space for 2 lists, I guess, if I'm not explaining that very well, but you guys, hopefully you know what I mean. And that's it. So no monthly glance, like I said, it's just a weekly view, and it's all the same all the way through. Not particularly pretty, but it's functional. Hopefully it will do the job for me. Anyway, I really can't be bothered researching and shopping for the perfect planner. I like this layout, so I'm just going to go with it and be happy. All right, now I've got some embroidery bits. 3 of them, I think. Okay, so this is a bit fun. These are their kind of normal ones. These are fairly new anyway. Oh, that's open. Never noticed that. Hopefully there's nothing missing. I got a cross stitch kit. I'm a big long time cross stitcher. I got into embroidery more recently than cross stitching, but I'm pretty proficient in both, I guess. The thing I like about these kits is I think they were $4. Yeah, the Christmas one was $4, and this one was $5 cross stitch, and this one was $5. The thing I like about these is for that price you get all the threads, you get the hoop, which is mainly why I get these, because then I can display them in the hoop. Otherwise I have to pay for the hoop and all the supplies anyway. So even if I didn't want to use this pattern, I would probably still get the kit just for the, you know, all the colors. You get extra needles, you get the hoop, you get the cloth. It's worth it, even if you want to like make your own creation. But I really think this is cute, the little fairy bread cross stitch. It's a nice, small, quick project if you're just looking for something to keep yourself busy. I like to do these in front of the TV. They're nice and portable. So yeah, I think they're really good value for that. I also got the embroidery kit. I love the color of that fabric. It's a nice kind of ecru off-white taupe, like a pale taupe color. You get all the, again, you get all the needles, you get the threads. I just really love the kind of subdued pattern in this. You also get, they print the actual design on the embroidery kits, which is really handy. And it's just a really pretty kind of protea flower, which, yeah, really nice. And then I got the Christmas one. Again, all the stuff included. They do, I think they do, unfortunately that is printed on, because I would probably leave that off and put something else there otherwise, but I'm probably going to modify this pattern slightly anyway. I like the colors and I like the value, so I thought it was cute. All right. Now I have some paper stacks, some kind of die cut bits and pieces. I'll try to keep these kind of grouped together. Now I don't need any more die cuts and I don't need any more paper stacks. I just, pretty cute. I couldn't help myself. All right, so I don't mind getting the Christmas ones. I did grab these because I don't actually have anything for a December daily album ready, and to be completely honest, I haven't even started last year's, so I'll have all that to get through first anyway. But these are cute, so I just grabbed them again. I think the die cut and sticker pack, native travel maybe, yes, die cut timeless. Okay, so this is it. So the die cut sticker pack, so that was $4. $4. Okay, you get a pack of die cuts in there. You get 6 sticker sheets. Kind of shows you what you get on the back. So all of those die cuts, and then you get all of those stickers as well. So there's some border strips here, some icons, some kind of labels, flags and whatnot, and a whole page of alphabet. So lots and lots of stickers. I thought would definitely come in handy. They had this, which is the timeless. It's kind of more muted tones, and then they had like a traditional, which was more cartoony, kind of bright reds and greens kind of deal. I much prefer this. So when I saw the mini paper stack that matched, I grabbed that as well. How cute is that? Look at the little sleepy baby koala. So lots of natives in this set, which I really like, and kind of what swung me towards getting it. But you also have like Christmas trees and deer and things, so it's definitely still Christmassy, but I love those blush tones and that kind of muted green and the pop of gold thrown in there. Really, really pretty. So I got those two just kind of put aside for maybe December daily, but I'll find some use for them. Regardless. Okay, so now these die cuts were, I think they were $3. Yeah, a bit cheaper because it's just die cuts. So $3 a pack of die cuts, and then $4 again for the paper stack. I got the natives. So that gives you an idea of what's in there. They're nice big die cuts, really pretty colors, just again that native flora. The borders on them, the white borders, are quite thick, so a lot of people don't like those, and I'm one of them. I tend to sit down with these in front of the TV and just trim them out and make them a bit nicer, and kind of do that in batches and then have them all ready to go. But for $3 I'm happy to do that. And then I got the paper stack to match. I'm on the fence about this. The colors are a bit bright and like the birds are a bit cartoonish. I'm not super phased on that, but then the florals, so these are really, really pretty. I really like those, so I think I'll be okay with it. Now I'm just going to pop this out. Historically, these paper stacks from Kmart are really thin paper, so I'm curious to see if they're still like that. I haven't bought them in a while. No, they're better. They're not super thick. They're not amazing quality, but they're definitely thicker than they used to be. They used to be kind of really flimsy, even thinner than kind of computer paper. That's definitely an improvement. So I'm quite happy with that. Look at those colors. I just feel like that bright pink, where is it there? That doesn't match the rest of the soft, pretty colors. I don't know, it just seems really strange to me. Anyway, I am happy with that, and I am pleased that the paper quality is slightly improved, especially since the price hasn't actually gone up at all. All right, I got these travel die cuts as well. I don't really know why. It's not like I'm going on holiday anytime soon. Yeah, I'll find some use for these. They're fairly, I think, versatile. Again, really thick white border, not too fussed about that. There are 2 of all of these. It does just say designs included, so I think it's just 2 of all of those. There's 40 in there, so there's plenty. And then again, got the paper stack to match that. I love these little caravans. Some really pretty colors. Again, I love coral and that kind of teal, aqua, coral color combination. It's one of my favorites. Little seagulls of honey. So actually this reminds me a lot of the Maggie Holmes, is it? Sunny Days collection. It's not at all the same. It's definitely not like a copy. I think the colors are even a little bit different. I think it's just the vibe of it all reminds me very much of that collection. And I have got an album in works, my honeymoon album. That's embarrassing. That's 12 years ago, that I am using that Maggie Holmes collection for. So I think I can integrate that quite well if I run out of that one. All right. Stickers. So I got 2 of these sticker books. Again, I just like the way they look. The Good Vibes sticker book. There's lots of kind of phrases. And then I don't know whether to pop these out. Probably should. Yeah, okay. So that's the first page, and then let me see. So 6 sheets. These are all matte. They're not glossy stickers at all. I loved those butterflies and the little bugs. They're very, very cute. Pretty cute icons, little animals, ice creams, cakes, things like that. Some phrases as well. Then some kind of more generic shapes, some word pieces, really usable. Mermaids are very cute. Some more word pieces, little cacti are cute. And then a whole page of letters. So they're bright colors, but they're not like super primary. I don't know, I think they're nice. It's kind of like, if I'm going bright colors, this is the kind of thing I like to do. Okay, and then we've got the Home Life sticker book, which is right up my alley. Feels very Jen Hadfield-esque to me, this whole feel. It reminds me a lot of, I can't remember the name of the collection, of course, but you guys will know the one I mean. Look at it. All those houses, little cars, little animals, very, very cute. Little word phrases, some scallop border bits, little hearts, things like that. Phrases, so these are great for small titles, especially if you're doing a smaller album. This would be great for a mini album actually. That's an idea. Or lots of foiling too. Lots of little icons. I love those plants. A little watering can, a little boot. Super cute. Love that very much. Okay, and then, yeah, gosh, this feels so Jen Hadfield. You guys know the collection I'm talking about, right? Leave a comment. Lots of photo frames, paintings, little envelopes, little crafty bits down here, which is cute. And then again, a sheet of letters. So definitely super handy. Oh, excuse me. All right, then alphabet stickers. I probably should have got 2 of these because there aren't a whole lot of each of the letters, but they are a mix of uppercase and lowercase. They're kind of that scripty font, and they are foiled. Hopefully you can see that they are foiled. They're in their packet, so it's kind of hard to tell. But they are definitely a nice bright shiny foil. 2 sheets. They are clear, so they're on like a plastic backing, so clear stickers. Again, I think they were, how much were they? Sticker Alpha Gold, $3. Yeah, and the sticker books were $3 as well, I'm pretty sure. Sticker, yep, $3 each. So all really inexpensive. And then I got the glitter alphabet stickers. I feel like I've got similar ones to this, but again, they were $3, so I couldn't walk past them. They are silver glitter. I don't use silver a whole lot, but they're a really good size. They're right around the size of like a standard thicker. They're the same kind of packet sizes, you know, your standard thickers, but $3 instead of, what are they normally, like $15 each, $20 each, maybe even, I don't even know now. Haven't been for a while. So really good value. Couldn't pass those up. And then I got 2 sets of the brush markers. I have no idea if these are any good. They're dual tip brush markers, I'm pretty sure. I got, yeah, brush and fine tip. I got the flesh tone. So it's just kind of like a really pale pastel pink through to like a nice chocolate brown color. There you go. I don't know how flesh tone these are. You know, what can I say? Anyway, that's what they're called. And this was like the grey lavender set. $4 a pack. So just kind of like a variety of light purple to kind of dark bluish purple colors in the back there. So you got your lighter purples, and then you got your deeper purples, and then your kind of grayish tones. So I can add these to the collection. These are probably going to go in the pile for Christmas gifts because I definitely don't need them right now. But anyway, that was all the bits and pieces. Lots of fun crafty bits to be getting on with, and I really hope you enjoyed this little Kmart haul. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.